Hey Crunchy Fat Clean friends, I bought this cat brush or just this pet hair brush off of TikTok and I'm loving it. Actually, my kitty is loving it. If you have a dog or a cat, I definitely recommend getting this. Keeping your animal's hair combed not only makes them look better and stylish, but it helps them health-wise. It removes any knots in their hair. It helps soften their skin by redistributing their natural oils, so it keeps their hair soft. And it can cut down on hairballs, because if you're removing any loose hair that is on the cat, that's less hair that they have to swallow when they're bathing themselves. So combing your cat frequently or dog helps them in many ways. It also helps remove any kind of dandruff or dander or dry hair because you are brushing the scalp area. You're brushing their skin and you're removing any dead skin cells. My cat loved this thing. It's soft, it's not hard bristles, and the best part is you just push the little button in the back and it brings the hair out, so you could just easily grab it and throw it in the garbage can. Even my young son was loving it. He was combing our cat and having so much fun with it. And now when my cat sees it, he just comes up to it and smells it and gets all excited and starts purring. He really liked it. So it's definitely a win-win. So use my link down below. I will earn some commission when you buy it. Grab a whole bunch. It's a great price, great investment. Really easy to clean up too. You could just wash with the hot water and soap just to clean it off. But the hair just comes right off. It's so easy to use. Love it. Keep your furry friend nice and crunchy fud clean. And push it. Hold on, like this. Push, and now grab it. Wow.